pretty is this? So this is how the hair turned out. I am in love. This is probably like one of my favorite units from Beauty Forever. I love this color. I cannot in the hair. Now let me just say, y'all know I love me a good balayage. Everybody don't do it right, but this is perfect. Like this could be my signature color. I don't think y'all understand. Like I love this color. I've told y'all this several times before. First of all, I love when there's no color here. The color of this unit is just like, look how good this looks on my skin complexion. Like, it's so pretty. It's so good. Y'all know this unit can be worn glueless. It is a 7x7, very soft unit, body wave. And we're gonna style her. So it comes with the barrel curls already. For the girlies like me that don't know how to curl hair, they do it for you, okay? The lace looks very nice on here. Let me spray some setting spray on my lace line because I had on the band so that way it don't look so dry. So you can finger comb it out. Pretty easy to style. This color, oh, it's gorgeous. It looks so pretty on me. Look at this. This is my favorite balayage color. I love it so much. Look at this, y'all. I love the density on this unit. The color is just perfect. Like not too much in the front. They give you those money shots right there, but it's not too much. Nothing here. That is exactly how I like my balayage. This unit does come with the ear cutout, so it fits comfortably around your ear. And this is how it looks in the back. Very simple to style this unit. Super pretty. We're gonna cut some bangs in the front, some curtain bangs, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks with the updo. So let's style it. Pretty is this? So this is how the hair turned out. I am in love. This is probably like one of my favorite units from Beauty Forever. I love this color. I cannot stress that enough. The hair is very soft, and like I said, I love the density, and it just looks so pretty. Deep parting on the unit. So we have a lot of parting space. It's just really, really pretty. I also want to show you guys how it would look up in a ponytail. So let's do that really quick. We just take some here and take some here. I'm not really big on the ponytail, but they like us to show how it would look with this, so I'm gonna show it. And if you guys wanted to do like a little updo, you have a special occasion, a wedding or something like that, you can do a cute little updo like this. I don't have any clamps because I never wear my hair up like this, but this is an option. You can wear it up if you want. And this is kind of how it would look in the back, like if you did like a little French roll or something like that. Really cute. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box below.